Hello my friends, okay with you? Today we will talk about this new supplement called Endopeak. Endopenis is an innovative product that promises to increase penis size. It is made of a safe and effective material and is easy to use. Endopeak is available for purchase on the official website and is backed by a satisfaction guarantee. How does Endopeak work? Endopenis works by creating a vacuum around the penis. This vacuum increases blood flow to the penis, which can lead to a temporary increase in size. Endopenis can also help increase penis size in the long term by stimulating the growth of new cells. What are the benefits of Endopeak? The benefits of Endopeak include temporary increase in penis size, increased penis size in the long term, improvement of erectile function, increased sexual satisfaction. Is it safe to use Endopeak? Endopeak is safe for most people. However, it is important to consult a doctor before using Endopeak if you have any medical conditions. How to use Endopeak? To use Endopeak, follow these steps. Clean the Endopeak with soap and water. Apply a lubricant to the Endopeak. Place the endopenis around the penis. Tighten the Endopeak ring to create a vacuum. Use Endopeak for 15 to 20 minutes per day. Where can I buy Endopeak? Endopeak is available for purchase on the official website. The official website offers a satisfaction guarantee, so you can buy the Endopeak with confidence. Endopenis is an innovative product that can help you increase penis size. It is safe, effective, and easy to use. If you are looking for a way to increase the size of your penis, Endopenis is a great option. For more information about Endopeak, visit the official website.